Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you get to watch this video. If this is my first time to come across my videos, then you're welcome in Francis for why I based Nasara video. So in today's video, guys, we can cook one sweet jollof rice. Yes, you hear me? I say sweet one pot jollof, anyhow you call it now. Yes, okay. So now my ingredients them at the display, so we are to show you. So first you see I show you me yabas and me cut sausage, and also this are me tomatoes. Sorry, this are me brownie, me oil, me maggi, me seasonings, everything and what's not. So now that you see what I show you, so you're on the fireside. We can cook the rice. So now me pot this now the water and nande where we done ready everything done. Now my sister just now pick the pepper. So this now me where I say make a flex before the camera for a few seconds before I start this sweet cookie soon. So I turn the camera to myself, begin sing, they dance, they enjoy this, my smile to una. So una make sure say una like, una comment, and share this video. Okay? So yana snellen. Hey God. Una sabi hawa. Black hawa na ingera den snelle yao. In say in the begin salam. Now the new business this way you want do. They say they begin get a snail, it is sell them. I say what? Because we can get people already come all the way from Liberia for come buy them snails there. So I was saying in a new business now, make a tell you now. So this now the pepper where Justina be the beats. Yes, because we don't pick and so this now the fish, hairy fish. Now manage self-sponsored cook. We the cook for them picking them. Yes, so we the manage. So na herring will be able to get na yaso. We not get good fish, and besides good fish very expensive. So this our pots in a fire now. Then they eat mango, then they disturb the vine. Then they eat mango, then they disturb. It's where they doubt laugh. See them no more. Then they provoke the picking back the answer. So guys, would they get fun? Now this kitchen yaso. Would they really get fun and be they entertain me? Then just they ask divine them big full question and divine back the answer. Whether they for out laugh, they laugh the picking. As not to me picking una they laugh for. Na una say because no it's una they do, not to divine una they provoke. So at the end of the day, I say I can watch the picking them who they cook for. If they don't begin come, yes, we don't get few numbers where we don't come. So then start the praise and worship. Yes, because now a Christian program. So we come together with the leaders then we say let we contribute half thing, let we make small get together for them. So now that small food they way they see have baggers with half thing them. Now they will be able for gather for let we prepare for them. Of course, I mean the chef. Yes, I can enjoy small. I left the kitchen. Boom. I left the kitchen. I calm down small first. I can't enjoy it because the praise and worship will touch my bone. So I can't enjoy small. I say my shake body. So I made this now. The video them. So guys, I would say you would enjoy the rest of the video. Okay? So enjoy. Olva.
Now the water I put so hard. C'est quoi ça?
Take me all.
And you don't press the camera for video. I'm not pressing you. Yeah, the ready show. Give me back. Hold on, rest.
The price is sweet oh. Well, we're back in the time. Ini putar. Ai! Ah! The place is sweet oh. Move me. You do so?
So guys, I come back as make can check if the bikini don't come for.
You do so, baby?
Indeed, the bikini will budget for. Hey God.
Oh my
At the
darling,
end of the day, they
Jesus,
come
you are worthy.
cool overload.
Darling
Imagine how bad grace.
Jesus,
Oh my
darling
God.
Jesus.
So I can check back.
Yeah.
I say, Mark can watch. Guys, do you wanna excuse me for how I on training this? Hey God. As soon as I listen at the background, I was very, very on training and you know, so I be singing one sing. So no so get on be around for me, yeah. So this the beginning be they enjoy the praise. Oh my goodness. The beginning be they enjoy the praise. So one power be there with them. We be in a kitchen. Yes, of course, as soon as I say me, I like for cook. So from there, I say make I go back. Now my kitchen, I go check my rest. Oh my God, I put the other half ingredients there. Guys, the rest ready for go po. But this recipe at the end of the day, what I don't know for cook am. If then stone you go boss you. Hey God, the rest is strong. King. I be the afraid man on pass my quarter. Make the rest not poto. It's a bit them picking it now. And I say Auntie Frances, so you cook na poto rest. And I want let the rest sweet na the mouth there. So I be very careful. I be very careful for make and not pass my quarter. So I be mix the rest and say na heat go cook am. But the rest strong, yeah, me people them. The rest is strong like stone. So I be the turn and from there I cover with rest bag for heat and I want make it soft. Yes, for it, but the rest now so they go up and I say it's wrong. So it come to a point I say no, this and I do at and say get for left. Whether I boss where there now this that and say get for left. So now me this they cover them with rest bag, sprinkle water on top so that it go get more heat, so that it goes soft. But the rest now water in it, yeah, but I feel for getting the water there. So at the end of the day, I saga for good this show. So now enjoy the rest of the video. I love you all and make sure say wanna like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you.
Maybe say we don't press so.
I'm a
Come. Work out the water. And butter. Not enough small. Oh, last sprinkler. This one will do. Wait. Baby. Maybe it's my glass, miss it. Water. I'm going to the video. Di Yabas. Yeah. No, I like. Small picking. What did they cry for? You left for cry. And the video, our chef wants to get annoyed. You see, I'm not taking a good video for her, so now I'm going to do it proper. As you can see, that lady with the red, Mami Bashipo. Her name is Justina. Justina what? Yeah, Divine is working for her mom. She's part of the working crew. Divine, in our life.
have a God who never fails. I have a God who never fails. I have a God who never fails. Jesus never fails. I have a God